I am so excited. Today we're just gonna get ready together. We're gonna do hair, makeup, body, outfit. I already have coconut oil on my face, moisturizer, and SPF, so my skin is prepped and ready to go. Okay, yes, I am using my fingers to spread out my foundation, which I know probably looks so crazy. I feel like it goes on more even when I do it with my fingers, and then I go over with the sponge to blend it out, and then it just lays so nice. Okay, I wasn't planning on powdering my whole face today, but since we're gonna use some blush, which I never do, so I'm very excited, I think I should powder the face first. What else is going on with you guys? Are you guys doing online school right now? Are you still working? Are you able to work from home? Okay, first of all, you guys, do you bronze first and then do blush and then highlight? Okay, let's bronze first. I never use blush ever. I don't know why. I find it to be kind of intimidating to me. Oh, okay, well I guess we're gonna bronze with this big giant brush. Okay, where does blush even go, by the way? I never do blush, you guys. I'm a little nervous. I just make myself look like a clown? Or does it look natural and cute? No, I like it. Hey, okay, cute. We did it. Gosh, a round of applause. Everybody, come on. Thank you. Thank you so much. I know. Once it hits spring and summertime, I really only use I'll use a light layer foundation, some bronzer, gloss, like brows, you know, mascara. Depends on what I'm doing, but just like day-to-day running errands kind of thing. I don't do like a full face. My goal is to completely grow my eyebrows so thick and full that I don't have to use an eyebrow pencil anymore. Next, I'm gonna do some mascara and I'll be right back. Whoa, oh my God, whoa. Okay, I did my mascara and my lips just because you've seen me do that a million times, super easy. And I threw a t-shirt on. We're about to curl up my hair, but I don't like people to look at my armpits, so I had to put a shirt on. I think this is about a 1-inch wand, and we're just gonna curl. Super easy, go back and forth. I just wanna make a wave today. I don't wanna have like super curly hair, so I'm just gonna do larger sections. Especially on days where I'm filming multiple videos or taking photos, just busting out content. I wanna make sure that my hair can go with kind of everything. So something as simple as just like an easy wave goes good with any look and any type of content that I need to be a part of, so. Oh my God, whoa, now my hair's all finished. Just did a quick little wave throughout the hair, super easy. And now I'm really excited. Okay. Shh. Alright, you guys, so I'm very excited because I have this lotion that I've been dying to tell you guys about, so let's go. Alrighty, you guys, so I'm letting you in on a little secret of mine. I make sure to moisturize my body every single day. Whether it's a body oil, a body lotion, whatever it may be, I always have to. Whether it's after a shower, before going to bed, when I wake up in the morning, I'm obsessed with it. I love to feel fresh and moisturized. I've been using this lotion from I Am Beauty Care. You guys have no idea how much I love this. The scent alone, I literally, it's the best. The scent just lingers, and let me tell you, first of all, I'm very picky about lotions with any sort of scent. I don't love it. This is amazing, but what I love the most about it is that it has collagen and vitamin E in it, which are two things that are very important for your skin. I'm gonna keep it very real here. I'm 27 years old, and I'm already starting to feel a difference in my skin. That's why I drink collagen, and now that I have it in a product, a beauty product as well, this means everything to me. So this is the anti-aging one. It firms, rejuvenates the skin. I can see, it almost feels like for me, like it's body blurring in a way. This truly makes my skin look plump and supple. I'm amazed. So what I do is I wear this every day and I still can't get over the smell. I love that the smell lingers too, so you don't even need any sort of perfume or anything after. This is literally a gift from God, like, thank you. So collagen helps promote like vibrant, very healthy skin. The vitamin E in this helps soften and moisturize the skin. Collagen stops forming in your body when you turn 25, I think. So get on your collagen game while you can. I'm really big on that. I really find with most lotions, you kind of have to pick whether you want something that just smells really nice or you want something that's actually good for the skin. But if you want something that does both, This is my favorite lotion right now. I'm seriously obsessed with it. I keep it in my bathroom. It's my baby and I love it. And even though we're on a lockdown right now, when we come out of lockdown, who doesn't want to come out looking amazing? So again, this is their Dead Sea Minerals body lotion. It's amazing. They have a line that has Dead Sea Minerals and everything. This just really helps you maintain like healthy, smooth, beautiful skin. You want to look like fresh. Like, yes, I know. Does my skin look supple? You just want to kiss it? I'm telling all my friends about this. Everyone I know, I'm obsessed with this. So yes, I love it. Get your hands on it. I will have links and everything for you in the description box below. I'm putting more on just because, well, I can. So, you know. Thank you so much to IM for sponsoring today's video and partnering with me. I feel so, so lucky, and I really do love this, not just because they're sponsoring today's video. Like, I genuinely would talk about this without the sponsor. So I am so, so happy and I love it. I will have a link for you below for this. Now let's get dressed. I'm working from home today, but I'm about to film another video, but I'm gonna show you guys just an outfit that I would wear just normally right now during lockdown. I have this tank top on right now and it's double lined, so you don't have to wear a bra. I'm trying to make sure that nothing happens in this area right now while I do have a bra on and I'm on camera. We're gonna turn this into a really cozy outfit. I'm gonna throw on these light colored sweats as well. Got a nice little cozy combo, and then of course, we gotta add some jewelry. Gonna throw on some hoop earrings. You guys, even when I'm just at home, I love to put on my jewelry. That always makes me feel really put together. Just getting ready for the day is everything, you guys. I know this time is really hard, but it doesn't have to be. You can find ways to make your days feel more exciting and a little easier. My regular everyday jewelry, I always stack bracelets. You guys know this. I wear rings. Oh, I feel like I'm turning into myself again. And here's our finished look. Just super cute, cozy, easy. I feel good. I smell good. My skin looks supple. Makeup on, hair done. Cozy outfit, girl. We're living. I'm happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. I know we're not like getting ready to go anywhere, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Here, come in a little closer. If you would like to check out the collagen lotion, I will have the link below for you guys. It's truly amazing. I am collagen obsessed. So, just letting you know, if you're trying to look good for summer that we'll hopefully have, then definitely check it out. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon. Mwah! Bye, guys.